Hello, my name is Lydia. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making Kenyan chapatis. You're welcome. You'll need 2.5 cups all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of ghee, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 cup of milk. This is half of the recipe. Put in the dry ingredients first. Mix in the dry ingredient first. And then you mix in the ghee. Mix it in the flour first before you start incorporating in the milk or the water. You have to knead the dough for a full 15 minutes so as to activate the gluten. So the kneading process is about messy, but what comes out is good. So don't worry about the mess. You see here I'm starting to incorporate in the milk. I like using milk because it makes it chapati soft and nice. You have to put it in your clean surface and start kneading the dough for a good 15 minutes. But if you have a stand mixer, you can do it for like 10 minutes and that will be a nice timing for the stand mixer. But with your hand you have to do it for a good 15 minutes. So use the palm of your hands to knead the dough. That's when you don't get tired, because if you try to use your knuckles, you're gonna get tired. Put the dough to rest for about 30 to 1 hour. And then start cutting it into pieces. I'm gonna make about 6 pieces of chapatis. And then I'm gonna form round balls with it, as you can see. Put it aside.
And there's no way, there's no telling you. I can only say that it feels right. It feels, we say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right.
Now I'm gonna start rolling. You have to roll it as wide as you can, because the more layers you're gonna create if you roll it wider. So try and roll it wider. This part here, it doesn't really matter if you roll it like round. If you don't really know how to roll it round, you can just roll it. This is the part now where we are gonna now put in our oil. I'm using canola oil here. Use a pastry brush, it's easier to brush in your oil. And then I'm gonna start folding it. You fold it like you start folding it like that. Then you stretch it and roll it around nicely. Tuck it in, tuck it under.
And there's no way, there's no telling you. I can only say that it feels right. It feels, we say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right.
Nice and round. This depends on how you want it, the thickness to be. If you want it thinner, you continue rolling until it attains the thickness you want, but I like mine to be medium. So I'm now cooking it in the pan. The pan is ready. And you may want to use a spatula to turn your chapatis because you don't want to get burnt. That's when you flip it around and brush oil on it. Not so much oil, but brush your oil again on the other side too. You see the nice golden color after you flip it around? Wow, that's a nice golden color for the chapati. That's how you want your chapatis to be, gold and nice. You may want to put your pan centered on the fire, because as you can notice, I think I didn't center my pan nicely because one part is not well cooked. So make sure you cook all the parts so that they can be as brown and golden, nice golden brown. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and God bless you. Bye.